Hello guys, so today we will learn about the introduction of EC2 and some aspects of EC2. Please subscribe to my channel for the videos on latest technology and please like and share this video if you like the video. So let's start the topic of EC2. So EC2 is basically an elastic compute cloud. It is a software based infra service that is provided by AWS. AWS is basically a cloud computing platform that is provided by Amazon, and it provides us the mixture of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So what is EC2? So in a very simple language, think of EC2 as a virtual computer that you can use for whatever you like and whenever you like, just using the internet. EC2 is our virtual server on the cloud. It is a software based infra service. EC2 virtual server is known as instance. So you can use this instance for any type of processing activity or encoding activity or transcoding. And it is a scalable server. That means that it has the ability to increase as the user increase or the load on the EC2 instance increase. And EC2 can run different type of operating system. So we will now learn about some of the aspects of EC2. So there are some aspects that you have to understand before creating a EC2 instance or before learning about the EC2 instance. So the first one is the AMI. AMI is Amazon Machine Image. So when you are choosing the AMI, this means that you are choosing the operating system that you want to run in your instance or you want to use in your virtual server. The next one is instance type. So it means choosing the amount of memory or the amount of CPU that you want for your instance. So your performance of your EC2 instance depend on this instance type. And next is a volume. It is the disk that will be used to store the data on your EC2 instance. Tags. Tags are basically used for mostly for labeling or the identification and naming of the instances. Next is security group. Security groups basically act as a firewall to your EC2 instance. It is used to control the traffic into your EC2 instance, or we can say that they act as a firewall in your virtual server as the firewall in your local system act. And the next one is the private key or key pair file that you have to download before launching your EC2 instance. Private key is used to log into your EC2 instance. It is used for login and authorization of your EC2 instance. So in the next video, I will tell you about how to create the EC2 instance and how to log into your EC2 instance to use it. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share the video. Thank you.